This is HelpScreen and this is how to fix Fitbit app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, in order for you to fix this, I'll give you three solutions. So first one is to make sure you have the latest version of the app. So first, open up the Google Play Store, guys, and search for Fitbit. And then from here, guys, just open up the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to get the latest version over here and update the app. And guys, the second solution that you have is just go to the settings, and then over here on the settings, just go to the apps. And then here on the apps, you will be able to see all of the installed application on your device. Just find Fitbit and tap on it. And then after that, go to the storage. And guys, clear the cache and also clear data and tap on OK. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue on your Fitbit application. And guys, the last solution that you have, if that doesn't work, is reinstalling the application of Fitbit. So first, uninstall the app, and then once it is uninstalled on your device, what you are going to do is go back to the Google Play Store and install the application again. And then from there, you should be able to fix Fitbit application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!